Let us start with Kirchhoff's circuit laws. These are two laws, which help us to understand, analyze, and calculate the voltages and currents in greater circuits. The first law is often called Kirchhoff's current law, Kirchhoff's point rule, Kirchhoff's junction rule, or Kirchhoff's nodal rule. It states that the sum of currents meeting at a node is zero. Well, what does that mean? Let us have a look at this exemplary part of a circuit. Two currents are merging into one current. This is happening in a node. Let's assume one current is 5 ampere, and the other one is 10 ampere. Then, we can apply Kirchhoff's current law on the node and calculate the outgoing current. Therefore, we will define all incoming currents as positive, and all outgoing currents as negative. Hence the sum of the three currents has to be zero. If we solve the equation to the outgoing current, we get a result of 15 ampere. Note that you can simplify this rule by saying, the sum of all incoming currents at one node is equal to the sum of all outgoing currents at the same node. If you want to learn more, visit embedded-academy.com.